What's up, everybody? Hope you guys are all doing great. Welcome back to our video tutorial series on how to create amazing AI chatbot. In this video, we're going to focus on how to connect our chatbot builder account to our business Facebook page so we can run our AI chatbot on Facebook Messenger. One of the coolest things Chatbot Builder offers us is that it allows us to build one chatbot, and that chatbot is able to run on different channels at the same time. Okay, this is something that many of the other chatbot platforms do not offer. Most of the platforms that offer this option will force you to build different chatbots for different channels. Okay, that's kind of like a lot of work, right? I just want to build one chatbot, and I want that chatbot to run on all these different channels at the same time with a simple connection, right? So this is a really cool tool that Chatbot Builder offers us. You can see all these nice channels over here: Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, and so many more right here. But in this video, we're gonna connect our Chatbot Builder account to Facebook. One little tip before we do the connection: please make sure that you open up a new tab and log into your Facebook account. All right, doing this will make the connection a lot easier, so you don't have to go through the login, and then maybe it might prompt you to do some verification and all of that. Okay, so make sure you open up a new tab and log into your Facebook account, then we can begin the connection. All right, just a little tip. I'm assuming you're already in your Chatbot Builder account. Look to the left hand side, you should see where it says settings. Okay, go ahead and click on that, and then over here you want to click on channels, and then you want to click Facebook Messenger, and then you should see this right here that prompts you to connect to your business page. Okay, now as you can see, I have these Facebook pages that I'm managing right now. Okay, so Chatbot Builder is asking me, which of these ones do you want to connect to? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this one right here because that's the one I want to connect to, and I'm going to go ahead and click that. All right, and right there my Facebook business page is connected to Chatbot Builder account. Anytime you see this icon right here, that means you have successfully connected your Chatbot Builder account to your business Facebook page. All right, so your bot should be able to run on Facebook Messenger. Now remember that you have to have a business Facebook page. Okay, there is a difference between your personal Facebook page and a business Facebook page. Let me show you an example right here. If you go over here to this page, this is your personal Facebook page. This is how it looks like. Okay, and if you click over here where it says the car finance guy, this is what your business page should look like. Now remember, you can only connect your Chatbot Builder to your business Facebook page. All right, you will not be allowed to connect your Chatbot Builder to your personal Facebook page. Okay, so just wanted to remind you about that. All right, we just connected our Chatbot Builder account to our Facebook page, and that will allow us to run our AI chatbot on Facebook Messenger. Okay, so in the next video we're going to look at how to configure our Facebook Messenger to make sure everything is set and ready. All right, if for any reason you are having problems connecting your Chatbot Builder account to your Facebook, please send me an email or write something in the comment section, and I would like to help you troubleshoot whatever the problem is. Sometimes when you're connecting for the very first time, maybe you might encounter some unusual problems, but I don't expect you to have problems. But if for any reasons you're having any difficulty, send me a message and I'll be happy to help you. Alright guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, very important, so whenever I add updates and new videos, you will get notifications. Alright, see you all in the next video. Bye.